In front of me is POCO F5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Privacy. After that, tap on Permission Manager and click on one of your device's options that you wish to manage, like camera. Finally, you can click on one of your apps, in this case Chrome, and apply the best option for you from the list of available ones. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the first one, so when I click and go back, I can see that Chrome just gained access to my device's camera if I'm using it. But you can always tap on any feature and look for an app that you are interested in. In my case, calendar. Now click on See All Permissions instead and manage all of them only for chosen app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!